just the chosen few on the frequency, and that's all it takes. Bobby said this before, and we'll go to the next question. Bobby said this before. He said, what black people fail to understand, what white people remembers about us is that you don't need all black people to be conscious and know shit. Only 1% of them run this world, and the rest of the white people are dumb as the day is long. You got to watch a documentary on MTV called White People. And more than the sad shit they were saying, you just really need to see how stupid their mind is. They're not even a contender in who and what you are. There's 1% of white people who know who and what you are and are active, and they are active on the occult level. They're not active on the debate game. See, the white people who are getting shit done, they're not debating each other. They fucking with occult magic. So you want to get some courage up, get into this shit if you really want to get in the fight. But you will find that it's not even a fight. It's not even a fight. Once you get into the shit, you're like, fight. They're not even making no headway. The only headway they're making is keeping you guys fooled about this place. But in terms of a true impact, they're not even making it. They're not even making a true impact on the astral world, which is just pretty much the dream level. Because I've never seen them making an impact anywhere there. There's levels in the astral world. There's animal levels in the astral world. I've seen them on animal levels. This is real talk. I mean, so beyond theories, in my spiritual work, which we haven't gotten into, I know exactly who and what they're actually doing. It is nothing. We truly have nothing to worry about. This is a ignorance that we prescribe. This prescription of ignorance is actually our counteraction, is actually the true work that we're doing in all areas. That's the actual magic. You've heard this statement, it's not the destination, it's the path. Well, we wouldn't have a path to work if we didn't have such a shit show down here. You know what I'm saying? So this shit show is actually by our design. But where it matters, who we are, half of us ain't even, our souls ain't even down here. Half of these niggas, we avatars. Only a few who's truly fallen, whose light or soul is actually on this fucking planet. We are so golden. I couldn't even explain this in human words because people are so bogged down in the minutia of their human drama, their day-to-day Chinese food, eating asses, and GMOs feared, so boggled down that the idea of something in the way of light, of true light, they don't even know how to accept it about themselves. Their self-esteem is so fucking low. So fucking low. But when you get into this work and you divorce yourself from the shit, divorce yourself from this thought process of you this underdog and somebody's boot is on your fucking head constantly. That's why they show you the images of his boot on your head. That's why they show you the images all day to set up this is psychological warfare. This is occult ritual to show you police shootings. The first thing you did was the Rodney King, where you felt empowered. So now, because you're a human, and you feel so empowered by this Rodney King thing, we caught your asses, and even though you didn't get convicted, but your ass knows, we got cameras now, you little fuckers. So now what they did was take that same fucking action and made it benefit from them. So while you think, in our psychological mind on Facebook, we think that we got them. Look, we got another one. Look, he's beating this woman, beating a homeless woman, beating a young boy. Oh, look what he did to the brother. He violated the brother's right. While we think we're doing the same Rodney King shit, what they're saying is look at all the fear.
Okay.
We're showing our prowess here. We're showing our this quite simply, without getting into this excitedly, the name of the game is fear. And I don't care how mad you get, you niggas know you scared of what you're seeing. And because you're so scared, you're the ones who's now generating these fucking videos between each other. Look, there's another white man destroying our brother. There's another white man doing what he does, shooting niggas for nothing. No, that's showing their power. The videos I pass around is the one where niggas be fighting back and all that shit. This shows, look, they're doing this for a purpose. There's a purpose here. There's a purpose. They have to show their prowess over you in every situation. And the beauty of it is, they understand if you think in the inferior way that they think, no matter what plan you come up with, no matter what science, no matter what you use, you will never win. What they do not want is for you to change the format in which you think, which is your ancient mind. And the methodology is there. It's not hard. I teach it to everyone who takes my class. It is not hard. It is the foundation of conscious, subconscious, and unconscious thinking. Unconscious collective, knowing the difference between the three, knowing the language of your subconscious mind, which creates your reality, which is through symbol, trauma, and repetition. You have been watching trauma through police beatings, which means it is a programming. Listen again. Your subconscious mind dictates your reality. It learns through symbols, trauma, repetition. The trauma of police beatings is programming just by its sheer being.